Hey drumheads, it's good to see you again. It's Teddy Kelleher, and today we're covering the single paradiddle. The single paradiddle is number 16 of the 40 essential rudiments. I hope you've seen my video on the single stroke roll and my other video on the double stroke roll, because to play this pattern, you need single strokes and double strokes. The pattern is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. When learning and playing this rudiment, it's customary to accent the quarter notes on 1, 2, 3, and 4. For example, but there are other ways you can apply accents and move this rudiment around the kit to bring it to life. In my other videos, I've saved the groove for last, but in this video, I'm going to start with the groove. The right hand is going to be on the ride, the left hand is going to be on the hi-hat. And to make this sound like a groove, we're going to play the bass drum on 1 and 3, and the snare on 2 and 4. So that means we're going to have to move our left hand from the hi-hat to the snare drum. Let's see what that sounds like at 60 beats per minute. And 90 beats per minute. And 120 beats per minute. All right, now that we're grooving, let's apply this pattern to a fill working across the toms. For this orchestration, the right hand will be moving down and up the toms, and the left hand will remain on the snare. So in my case, the singles will be played on the rack tom and the second floor tom, and the diddles will be played on the first floor tom. Here it is at 60 beats per minute. And 90 beats per minute. And 120 beats per minute. Here it is in context. The third orchestration is another fill, and the single notes stay on the toms. In my case, it'll be the rack tom and the first floor tom, and all the diddles will be played on the snare. Let's listen at 60 beats per minute. And at 90 beats per minute. And 120 beats per minute. And in context. Let's put it all together. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and happy drumming.